Hello everyone, this is BSc second year class of group theory. So today we are going to discuss some examples. So quaternion group, quaternion group, quaternion group. So let T be the set plus minus 1 plus minus I plus minus j plus minus k. So T contains 8 elements where these elements satisfy some properties. I square equal to j square is equal to k square is equal to minus 1 and ik is equal to minus ki is equal to j, then ij is equal to minus ji is equal to k, and jk is equal to minus kj is equal to I. So along with these operations, T forms a non-abelian group, under multiplication of order 8. So this is very important example. You can check that it satisfies all the properties of the non-abelian group, that is four properties, that is closure, associative, existence of identity and existence of inverse. Now I am going to introduce one special operation on addition modulo m. So it is denoted as A plus addition modulo m plus b. So it is defined by A addition modulo mb is equal to r, where 0 is less than or equal to r, which is less than m, where r is the least non-negative remainder, r is the least non-negative remainder when a plus b is divided by m. When a plus b is divided by m. So for example, 15 plus 7 modulo 5, we have to calculate the value of 15 plus 7 modulo 5. So first add 15 plus 7 is what? 22. Then divide 22 by 5. So 5 4s are 20. So it is 5 into 4 plus 2. So 2 is the least non-negative remainder. So it is equal to 2. So divide 20 by 5 and the least non-negative remainder is the value of 15 plus 7 modulo 5. Likewise, second, 23 plus 3 modulo 3 is equal to what? So minus 23 plus 3 is equal to minus 20. Now minus 20 can be written as minus 3 7s are 21 plus 1. So 1 is the least non-negative remainder. The value of minus 23 plus 3 modulo 3 is equal to 1. Now write down one note. When a and b are two integers, when a and b are two integers such that a minus b is divisible by m, a minus b is divisible by m, then we write, oh, this is notation, a is congruent to b modulo m. That is, when we say that a is congruent to b modulo m, if and only if m divides a minus b. For example, 6 is congruent to 3 modulo 3, because the if and only 3 divides 6 minus 3. Also we can write 10 is congruent to 5 modulo 5, because 5 divides 10 minus 5. Also we can write 4 is congruent to 2 modulo 2. 7 is congruent to 0 modulo 7, because 7 divides 7 minus 0. So this is the congruent modulo definition. Now multiplication modulo. Multiplication modulo p. Multiplication modulo a prime number. It is written as a multiplication b modulo p, where a and b are any integers, where a and b are any integers, and p is a fixed positive integer, where and p is a fixed positive integer. So for example, 4 into 2 modulo 7 is what? So 4 into 2 is 8. So divide 8 by 7. So 1 into 7 plus 7. So least non-negative remainder is 1. So it is equal to 1. Now write down one note. If a is congruent to b modulo some prime number p, then AC is congruent to BC modulo p. Now you can prove this. So if A is congruent to B modulo P, this implies that P divides A minus B. This implies that P divides C times A minus B. So this implies that P divides CA minus CB. And if P divides CA minus CB, this implies that CA is congruent to CB modulo P, or AC is congruent to BC modulo P. I wrote down one theorem. Theorem number 1. Additive group of integers modulo m. additive group of integers modulo m. The set G 0, 1, 2, dot 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 m minus 1 of first m non-negative integers of first m non-negative integers of first m non-negative integers is a group the composition being reduced modulo m. The composition being addition reduced modulo m. That is, the composition is addition modulo m. For example, G is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 modulo 6 forms a group under addition. So you can make a table for this group 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the addition modulo 6. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 plus 3 is 3, 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 plus 5 is 5. Now 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 3 is 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, 1 plus 4 is 5, and 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 means divide 6 by 6, then remainder will be 0. Now 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 3 is 5, 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 means 0, because 6 divides 6 and the remainder will be 0. Now 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 divides 6, then the remainder will be 1. Now 3 plus 0 is 3 plus 0 is 3, then 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 plus 3 is 6 means 0, 3 plus 4 means 7, 7 means 1, and 3 plus 5 means 8, 8 means 2. Because if we divide 8 by 6, then the remainder will be 2. 4 plus 0 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 plus 2 is 6 means 0, 4 plus 3 means 7, 7 means 1, remainder 1. 4 plus 4 means 8, 8 divides 6, then remainder will be 2. 4 plus 5 means 9, 9 means 4. 3. If 9 divided by 6, then the remainder will be 3. Now 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 1, 6 means 0, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 means 1, then 5 plus 3, 8 means 2, 5 plus 4, 9 means 3, and 5 plus 5, 10 means 4. So this is the composition table for the addition modulo 6. Now here note that it is closed. Addition is always associative. Existence of additive identity is 0, and existence of additive inverse. Now inverse of 0 is 0, inverse of 1 is 5, inverse of 2 is 4, inverse of 3 is 3, inverse of 4 is 2, inverse of 5 is 1. So inverse of each and every element exists in this group. Therefore this forms a group under addition modulo 6. Now multiplicative group of integers modulo prime. multiplicative group of integers modulo p a prime. Theorem 2, multiplicative group of integers modulo p a prime. Let g of p minus set g of p minus 1 integers p minus 1 integers 1 2 3 dot 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 p minus 1, p being a prime, p being a prime, is a finite abelian group of order p minus 1, the composition being multiplication modulo p. The composition being multiplication modulo p, that is the set g 1 2 3 dot 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 p minus 1 modulo prime p forms an abelian group under multiplication. Now let us discuss one example of multiplication modulo p. Example: prove that the set G prove that the set G 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 is a finite abelian group of order 6 with respect to multiplication modulo 7. With respect to multiplication modulo 7. Now let us make a composition table for this set multiplication modulo 7. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 4 is 4, 1 into 5 is 5, 1 into 6 is 6. Now 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 4 is 8, 8 modulo 7 is 1, 2 into 5 is 10, 10 modulo 7 is 3, 2 into 6 is 12, 12 modulo 7 is 5. Now 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 3 is 9, 9 means 2, because 9 modulo 7 is 2, 3 into 4 is 12, 12 means 5, 5 into 3 is 15, 15 means 1, 6 into 3 is 18, 18 modulo 7 is 4, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8 means 1, 4 into 3 is 12 means 5, 4 into 4 means 16, 16 means 2, 16 modulo 7 is 2. Now 4 into 5 is 20, 20 means 6, 4 into 6 means 24, 24 means 3. Now 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into 2 is 10, 10 means 3, 5 into 3 is 15, 15 means 1, 5 into 4 is 20, 20 means 6, 5 into 5 is 25, 5 into 5 is 25, 25 modulo 7 is 4, and 5 into 6 is 30, 30 means 2, 6 into 1 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12, 12 means 5, 6 into 3 is 18, 18 means 4, 6 into 4 is 24, 24 means 3, 6 into 5 is 30, 30 means 2, and 6 into 6 is 36, it is equal to 1. Now here note that 1 is the multiplicative identity of this group, and this group contains 6 elements, though this is a group, and this is abelian because multiplication is always commutative. So this is a abelian group of order 6. Now multiplicative inverse of 2 is 4 because 2 into 4 is 1. The multiplicative inverse of 2 is 4. Multiplication inverse of 3 is, so check for 3, 5 because 3 into 5 is equal to 1, 5. Then multiplicative inverse of 4 is equal to 2. Multiplicative inverse of 4 is equal to 2 because 4 into 2 is equal to 1. Now multiplicative inverse of 5. Multiplicative inverse of 5 is what? 3 because 4 into 3 is equal to 1. And multiplicative inverse of 6 is equal to 6 because 6 into 6 is equal to 1. So this forms a abelian group of order 6. So today's lecture I am going to stop over here. Thank you.